Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I got my Ipsy stuff in the mail and I already took a little peek and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I did get this sent to me by Ipsy. So I do have the regular Ipsy bag and the Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm just so over the moon about these. So let's get right on into it with the regular Ipsy bag. This bag is super stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I was subscribed to Ipsy a while ago when I was in high school, so I don't know, like 6-7 years ago, and like these bags are just so stinking cute now. They're so adorable, and it's maroon on the inside. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna be obsessed with the bags every time. But let's get into these. I don't know how much I'm going to be trying out in this video. I'm going to try some stuff in this video, but let's just pick from the top. So if you guys watched my empties video, I recently just finished this and I'm super happy to see this in my Ipsy bag because I love this so much. It's in a nice little squeezy tube and I loved using this as like a little spot treatment or to help detox my nose area. So I'm super happy about this. It came at like the perfect time. Let's dig on into here. Ooh. So I have tried this before. I do have another little deluxe sample in my bathroom, so I'm also pretty excited about this. This is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Love it. I also have a Briogeo like little cap that I can put my hair up in when I do a hair mask. Don't really know how to explain it, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, then you know. But it's basically like a shower cap that you like kind of keep the hair mask like insulated in. Don't really know how well it works, but I like it. Next up we have the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. If you guys watched my update video on the Glossier skincare, then you guys probably know this wasn't really my favorite, though it is exciting to see Glossier in the Ipsy bags, but I'm not a huge fan of this, so I'll probably gift this to somebody or use it as, put it in my travel bag. Getting here again, we have a brand that I haven't heard of, Able Skincare London. My name is London. Ultra Collagen Eye Rescue Therapy. I'll have to look into some of the claims with this of what it's supposed to do, but I love me some eye cream. Apply it in the morning and evening. Clean skin. Ba ba ba. Ooh, it has glycolic acid in it. I love me some glycolic acid. Ooh, okay. So I believe, so the last Ipsy bag I got this brand, but a mascara, and this looks to be a lipstick in the shade Dirty Talk. Whoa, this is some fancy lipstick packaging right here. Ooh, it's like one of those matte lipsticks. You guys can tell it kind of has some like texture to it on the lipstick. Ooh, it's like a darker nude. I might put that on right now. Let's see what else is in here. We have Sophia and Mabel Tinted Lip Oil. All right, let's give a little swatch and see. Ooh, is this like one of those tinted ones that kind of makes it a little bit darker the longer that you wear it? Like warms up to your pH. I think that's what this is. And then let's just go ahead and swatch this lip. Oh man. That is pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the lipstick on. All I have is a little lip balm on. Cute. I like this. I like that the magnet is like the magnetic closure. It's so satisfying. This one isn't really getting any darker. I've given it like a minute, but it has a little bit of like a minty smell to it. But that is everything for the regular Ipsy bag. So let's get into the Big Mama Glam bag. And one of the first things I saw when I opened my Ipsy box were these scrunchies. I freaking love scrunchies and these are so stinking cute. I don't have any just plain nude scrunchies, so I'm obsessed. I love it. And with my hair getting really, really long, like getting pretty close to my hip bone at this point, but scrunchies are really nice to just like flop all of my hair on my head. Yes, literally obsessed just with the scrunchies. Next up is the Nomad Venice Simplin Express. Not really sure how to say that, but it does say that it has like a little stamp for the Ipsy Glam bag. I don't know if it means that it's like exclusive. Carry On eyeshadow palette. I've never tried this brand before. Ooh, that shade in the middle. Oh my goodness. That's one of my favorite shades. I'm gonna have to do a little swatch. Whoa, that shade looks so stinking pretty. Oh man, I'm gonna do a little swatch of it. Wow, that shade is so stunning. Looking forward to using that shade. Hello, and it looks really good with the lipstick too. Next up, I'm not really sure how to say this. I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm not really sure what this is. Volumizing primer? Is it like a mascara? What kind of primer? Luminizing primer. Oh my gosh. This whole time I've been reading it volumizing. Oh my goodness myself. I don't know what the heck I'm doing today. Alright, let's do a little swatchy of this primer. It seems like it is similar to the Glam Glow primer, or like the, well maybe not. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more luminescent than it is, but it's not that crazy. And it is cruelty free and vegan. Oh, okay. So helps boost the look of dull complexions with a touch of subtle iridescence. So a little bit more hydrating. Next up is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. My mom absolutely loves some Thrive Cosmetics, so I'll definitely be handing this over to my mom because I got a mascara last time, but I know my mom loves Thrive Cosmetics, so she'll be super excited for this. And my mom loves some voluminous looking eyelashes. So the next three things are pretty excited. They're all by the same brand, and I haven't heard of this brand yet. Refreshments, but the packaging looks super freaking cute. I love the pink and green, or I guess lavender and green. So this is a dazzling 5-blade razor kit, which came yet again at the most perfect time because I actually was about to buy some more razors and now I don't have to. Oh, these are some fancy razors. Ooh. So we got two of like the razor blade heads. And then this is the actual like razor part of it, and it is weighted. Like this part is pretty weighted, which does kind of help with like the gliding. I don't really know what this yellow, oh, there we go. What are you? Oh, does it like magnetize? I'm so confused. It does! Oh my gosh. For how heavy this is, it probably is the magnet, but I'll have to update you guys to let you know if like I can stick this to my bathroom wall and it'll actually, well, geez, if it'll actually hold the razor, because that's pretty bomb, because I dropped the razor too many times and it scares me every single time because I have like a fear that I'm gonna drop the razor and it's just gonna start like cutting up my feet. So I'll definitely give you guys an update on these, see how I like them. I use just regular Venus razor blades. Also, I am excited to use a new razor because I have the Cocoa Cloud whipped shave butter by Truly that I haven't tried out yet, but it smells, oh my god, it smells amazing. It's like this whipped, I literally just keep it over here to just smell it. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't smelled any of the Truly stuff yet, oh my, it is delicious. This one especially, oh my gosh, I just want to eat it. It smells like vanilla cake. Oh geez. But this one is a body butter. And then I have one more that smells like you're cooking pumpkin bread. And it's called pumpkin spice. And it's like a body polish. I'm gonna have a nice clean shave. And then these are shampoo and conditioner. I don't know why I can't say that word, that S word. But they're both the same. And then it says tart lavender. I don't really know if that's a smell. I'd assume that's what the smell is. Do you have a safety seal or not? Aha, we have a safety seal. If it does smell like lavender, it's gonna make me super sleepy. Oh, it does smell like lavender. I'm gonna have to only use this at night because I'm one of those people that the lavender just works. It makes me so sleepy in a hot shower with lavender. Oh man, that smells dreamy. So yes, I'll have to update you guys on these. These are some decently sized shampoo and conditioners. But that is everything for my Ipsy bags. I am so excited for so many things in this November Ipsy bag, glam bag, and the plus. I like how last month was a little bit more makeup and skincare, and this month is a little like mix of everything to where I have a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup, and a lot more hair care products this time around, and the razors and the scrunchies. Hello, I'm like super hyped about everything. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'll be doing Ipsy unboxing videos every month. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'll do little short updates on some of the products on there. But that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.